Yep, we're gonna fire up old Slave Lake here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a full video on this, but this is my brand new 1997 Ford F-250 7.3 diesel PowerStroke flatbed. I just picked this up from a farm at a really good price. It's in great shape. I actually drove it home like 400 miles. And we're gonna make this thing shine. This is gonna be my work truck. That is gonna replace the old cabinetry box truck. I'm doing more farm style work right now, so first thing it's broken on it, the door won't close, and so I need to change that rocker panel there. So I've got a replacement coming for that. Looks like someone already tried to fix it, but the cab bottom there is also needs welded. Has 320,000 miles on it, and I think the first thing I'm gonna do is power wash it, get some of this mold off. I'd like starting with a clean slate. This is gonna need welded here. This is the aluminum bed. That side has a gusset plate in it, and I think I'm gonna add one here and maybe one in the center too. Weld that all in to stiffen that. It's got 3 good tires on it, and these stake sides which come out. I'm drying this tarp right now. Let's see. No farmers, no food. It's got a pintle hitch. I'm gonna go through this whole setup. It's got electric brakes, but it's gonna need some work. Need some lights fixed here. That front right tire needs replaced. It's all dry rotted. But yeah, I'm just gonna start power washing this before it starts raining. So should be working on the bathroom, but this is a little more appealing. Alright, so this cab mount is completely gone. You shouldn't be able to see any of this. And it looks like someone replaced the floor with a sign at some point, but that's about 1.5 inches or 2 inches lower. This piece should be sitting up here. So I think I'm gonna actually do the other side first, which isn't as bad. I'll show you. Just because it'll be easier than this side, because I'm gonna have to realign all this. Take this guy out. Do the same thing over there. I'm not gonna like try to cut all that panel out because it's all junk anyway. So my thought is it's actually better to leave it in, and it shouldn't hold any moisture. I'm gonna buy some seam sealer and seal the outside, but the idea is to just go over top of this. I'll have to cut some of this like here, and what's this? Is an e-brake line has to go through it, of course. So that's another complication I don't feel like dealing with right this second, because it doesn't look like I can take it off here. So you gotta pull that through the cab and fish it through the new panel. We'll do the other side first. I'm getting set up over there. It's like 100 degrees today in Pittsburgh, so I've waited until 6 o'clock and the clouds are out a little bit so I don't die when I'm welding under here. Also, you gotta watch because like the carpet's right under here, so when I weld, yeah, I don't want to set it on fire. I actually bought a panel separator and also a plug cutter kit because I thought I was gonna like get that all clean, but like my fear is like I'm just gonna take too much metal off that's already not existing. So I think I'll just get in here with a hammer and a grinder and clean it up, and then jack the cab up probably on the most solid point, which is here, which is actually the quarter panel. I should probably take these quarter panels off too, but I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try to do it on my back like this, because even if I take them off, I'm only buying myself a few inches, and I can just pull these wheel wells back. This one's already destroyed, but I'll probably take those off and bend them behind the wheel and then get in there. All right, that's my game plan. Let's do it. So I got this buffer wheel and thing here, and I started buffing some of this. It does look a lot better, but it's probably not really worth the time. But I wanted to try one of these out. I've never had one, so just so I'm trying to kill one thing at a time here. So let's just kill this right now, buff that all out. And I'm not going to do the bed, I decided. At least not right now. So, and we'll probably use this on the rims later today. Done. Alright, it's been so hot here, I'm pausing fixing it, that sheet metal work, because I don't feel like being covered in like hot weld BBs laying underneath that right now. But the next thing I'm going to do is this exhaust seam here. I decided I'm going to give it a shot. I bought this 3.5-inch stainless clamp, and I'm going to try grinding down some of those welds and just clamping over it. See if I get away with that for this year. And then eventually I'll weld in a new splice there. But just trying to do things as quickly as possible because I need a daily driver. And I want to daily drive this thing, so. out this garbage right here, 3.5 inch, and let's weld this thing on.